Right now, your brain is lying to you. Your eyes actually see the entire world upside down, but your brain flips the image in real time so you don't spend your life feeling nauseous. But that's just the tip of the iceberg of things you think you know, but definitely don't. Did you know that time actually moves slower if you're standing on top of a mountain compared to being at sea level? Or that there's a giant, underground network of fungi that allows trees to literally talk to each other and share food? In the next few minutes, we're going to dive into the most mind-bending, reality-shattering facts. Let's start with something huge. If you think the Egyptian pyramids are old, you're right. But did you know that Oxford University is actually older than the Aztec Empire? By the time the Aztecs were building their first temples, Oxford students were already complaining about their homework for over 200 years. It's hard to wrap our heads around how civilizations overlap. When you look at the stars, you're not seeing the present, you're looking into a graveyard of light. If an alien 65 million light-years away looked at Earth, they would see dinosaurs roaming the Earth. Did you know that there is a single organism in Oregon that covers nearly 4 square miles? It's a mushroom, specifically the Armillaria ostoi. It is officially the largest living thing on the planet. If you enjoy discovering the secrets of our universe and want to gain the knowledge that gives you an edge in life, hit that subscribe button right now. We post high-value insights every week. About 95% of the ocean remains completely unexplored. We have no idea what is lurking in the deepest trenches. But we do know about the 52 Hertz whale, known as the loneliest whale in the world. Astronauts consistently report that space has a very distinct odor. They describe it as a mix of hot metal, burnt steak, and welding fumes. Space literally smells like a barbecue in a machine shop. You are actually a walking ecosystem. There are more bacterial cells in your body than there are human cells. In fact, you are only about 43% human. You are a vessel for trillions of hitchhikers. Your brain can't actually feel pain. Even though it processes pain signals, the brain tissue itself lacks pain receptors. This is why surgeons can perform brain surgery while the patient is fully awake. The Great Emu War of 1932 is a real event where the Australian military literally lost a war against a flock of birds. The emus were surprisingly tactical, and the military had to admit defeat. Have you ever heard of the Voynich manuscript? It's a 15th-century book written in an entirely unknown language with illustrations of plants that don't exist on Earth. It remains a complete enigma. In 1977, a radio telescope picked up a signal from deep space that lasted for 72 seconds. The astronomer wrote "Wow" in the margin. We still have no explanation for what sent it. In Turkmenistan, there is a place called the Door to Hell. It's a massive crater that has been burning continuously since 1971. It is still roaring with flames in the middle of the desert. Finally, let's talk about your perception of reality. The simulation hypothesis suggests that the odds of us living in the base reality are billions to 1. You might just be a character in a program. The universe is a master of surprises. From the immortal jellyfish that can reset its life to infancy, to honey that never spoils even after 3,000 years in a tomb, the world is much stranger than we perceive. The more we learn, the less we seem to know. Thanks for watching, and if you want to keep expanding your mind, check out our other videos and subscribe for more life-changing knowledge. Remember, your brain is still hiding your nose from you right now. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.